In this video, we're going to talk about setting your exam date and finding a physical location for the exam if you want to take it in a physical location. All right, so you should have already submitted your application. If you haven't done it, go back after this video, fill out the information, submit your application, get it in the system, get it approved. You have 365 days to take your exam. We don't need that much time, but you can't take your exam if you ain't approved, right? So get it in there. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about how you find out where you take exams, all that jazz, availability. So we're going to go to the source, Pearson VUE. It's spelled V-U-E, all right? Pearson V-U-E, not V-I-E-W. All right, and so go to the website, check it out. Now, a lot of the functionality is amazing on here. Some of them I found when you check the location and timing can be a little buggy. Got to refresh, come back out. Don't freak out. It just happens, okay? So as we go in here, there's two ways to find the information. One is to take a test. Boom, you click that. We'll pop it up right here. And it scrolls down. You say schedule your exam. And each little test, whether the LSAT, GMAT, PMP, etc., has its own little micro page. So we find P down there. We search for PMI. Boop, 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 boop. Where is it? Let me see. It's hard for my old eyes to see. There we go. And then this is their little micro site, okay? Now, the other way to do it is just to type in PMI right here. Takes you to the exact same page. Now, as we go through here, we can see on the thing right next to my face, you can log in to your account from right here to get into your actual PMI account that's logged through Pearson VUE so that you can schedule, reschedule, or cancel your exam, okay? Now, as we go through there, below, seat availability, find a testing center, etc. So let's go find a testing center if you just wanted to look and say, where in my neighborhood do we have the ability to take tests? I don't know that you have a seat open, but let's just check it out. So let's go look in my neighborhood, my neck of the woods. Let's search it out. As we go, cool. It says, hey, there's a testing center here, 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 here. Cool, cool, cool. You can click on any of them, and it gives you directions. It gives you the actual location. It gives you the phone number. You know, print this out, put this in your phone. Really great. All this stuff is awesome, okay? So there you go. Now, if we wanted to go deeper and we want to say seat availability, boom, we'd click that. We go here, we're taking the CBT proctored exam. You'd click that, bang, it's going to pop up this page. You're going to say in person at a testing center, awesome. It's going to remind you, yo, you got to have your ID, what to expect, personal items, all these little clicks right here to give you more information or frequently asked questions. They're pretty darn good. Now, underneath my face, there's a button called next. Hit next, and let's pray it works. All right, and so as it pops up, it says which language for your exam. Let's make it as easy as possible, take it in English. All right, and then next, we're gonna go in there and we're gonna search by our address. We already did that, but we're gonna put in our little area, and boop, it pops up. And so find a testing center, bang, I wanna take it in Chesapeake. That's where I took it. And we hit next, there's a next underneath my face. And then, boop, it pops up and it says, okay, for your date, for your selected preferred testing center right here, like, bang, I could take it on the 19th. I could take it on the 30th. I could go and take it, well, let's see, next month. If I click into any one of those, it gives me, hey, times that I could take it, bang to bang, 12:30 to 5, and I'd go through and do it. And that's just saying, hey, this is the availability right now. So it's super important that you get your application done because the actual physical locations, it's like a fancy pants restaurant, right? It's going to fill up. People want to take tests, and it's not just PMI people, PMP, it's like LSAT, GMAT, whatever, all kinds of crazy exams. So got to get in there early, lock it down, sets a timeline, boom, let's hit it. So simple as that to see. That's what you need to do to go through there and really go and nail it out. Now, if you go back to this PMI site, tons of really good stuff. First of all, it's linking you to PMI. Learn about taking the online proctor exam right here. So it's going to walk you through like what to do, how to run your system test, how to get your space ready, how you get your IDs ready, all these things that we've talked about, just even better for the online version, right? Manage your exam day, all these different things. So go to the website. It's all PMI focused because you're in this little micro site for the PMI, right? Through Pearson VUE, and it all hooks you up. So tons of great information there, like, seat availability, test center, if you're in the military, like we did all that stuff, all these different things. So tons of great information, but at the end of the day, get that application in, make sure that you know where your test centers are. I like testing it in person because it gets you out of the house and gets you going, but online is absolutely a fantastic experience as well. I probably would have done that if it was available when I took the exam, because maybe it would have been easier. I don't know, but let's just get it in there. Get your application in there, set your date, pick a place, and let's rock and roll. So that's to help you out. Call me if you need me.